Okay, we're gonna make a quick video on what we're doing today. Show you a couple different things. This is Jack.
Hi.
Jack's my oldest son. Jack's gonna help me out with this one. What started out was we've been doing firewood lately. We burn a lot of wood, about 30 to 40 face cord, and we burn it in that over there, the wood boiler. So this has been a solid week of cutting, splitting, and throwing wood. We've had help. We didn't do all this alone. We had some family friends came over and help, and then James Otis, a friend of ours, that's his wood splitter. He was up, he was cutting, he was helping split, and that splitter that sped us up like crazy. That 4-way wedge, what a difference, and the length of the chunks we were able to split. So what I've been doing lately is clearing some areas out behind the house of trees, and I've got my friend Bob's excavator here, and so I'm working on cleaning up the pasture. There's tons of dead trees out there. And a little bit of drainage. There's a lot of standing water out there that we're gonna get rid of and get the trees out for firewood. Need a lot of wood for next winter. So we've taken out a lot of trees. A lot of ash and black walnut in here, and they've just been rubbed on from pigs and rubbed on from cows. So the outer bark layer is gone and the trees have died. It's two-folded because at the same time I needed to get rid of this mucky spot here. We got a little low spot that would be great for a pond, but I don't want a pond right here, so we're putting in a little drainage swale and giving that water a place to go. So let's get at it, all right? Got my helper, Jack.
Hi.
Ready, bud? So we're just making a little cut, and then after that, sweeping it up to sort of create a swale. We got a lot of dead trees around. We're just throwing the soil right on them. It'll all break down. Like I said, there's gonna be pigs in here, and they'll dig and root, do their thing, and we'll try to keep them moved so that they're not causing damage. But right now we've got sharp shoulders on this trench, and I'm not too worried about that because while the animals are in here and passing through that, they're going to knock it down, and it'll end up looking more like a swale when we're done. Boy, what a mess. We're going to have to clean the excavator good after this one. Get a little short-sighted sometimes. We just, not even a week ago, put fresh seed down on all this to get this growing, and took the animals off, and here we are tearing it up. But that's all right. We'll spot seed and get more down. Be green before we know it. Just gonna make a little off route from the main trench over to this wet area we just came through, and that's it. We'll work our way back and get a few more trees and done with this for the day. I gotta go to the firehouse later, so it's a little bit of a short day, but we gotta get as much done as we can with this machine while it's here. Just take a little bit in all these little low spots, and then we'll sweep it. Right behind us is a high spot, so we're lucky there that we're not too far away from where we're trying to get to. And it's still March, so we got plenty of time to seed this and let the frost help pull that seed in and get the seed into the soil contact, get germinated. But so we got to get it done quick while we can. We got all of our cows moved over to the main pasture right now. All but one. Our new bull that we got from our neighbor Steve Rowe, our new bull, he's here. He'll be here all summer, so he's going to have an awful lot of pasture that he can eat on by himself. And we're going to put him to use come September, end of September, more like October, I guess. Yeah, I guess October, November is because our goal is to have calving the next year. Early August or into September, into those months. While it's might be some of the slowest time we have on the farm. It's not planting time. We've done a lot of hay by then. And the hay season's still going, but it's slowing down. About when the kids go back to school, they're trying to make dry hay. The days are getting shorter. So it gives us a little more time to work on things, work on other projects. So I think that's a great time for us to calve. It'll give me more time to be focused with the cows. So, because as the calves are born, we like to get right out there and we identify them, give them an ear tag. Identifies whether it's a heifer or whether it's a little bull calf. If they're bull calves, we band them right away to make it a steer because we do raise them for meat production. And if it's a heifer calf, it gets a tag identifying it to its mother, and we put those in the left ear. All heifers, cows have tags in their left ears, and all the bulls that are born, they get their tag put into their right ear. That helps us for sorting, helps us for a quick ID out in the pasture, and as soon as they're born, that's the best time to catch them because being raised on pasture, they don't have a lot of human contact, so they're not exactly our biggest fan for the first year or so of their life. It takes them quite a while to warm up to us because all their feed comes from their mother at that point. They're not fed by us at all. They just see us as an alien. And so that's like our only opportunity to get up close to them and actually be able to get our hands on them without setting up the corral, the gates, and doing the whole 9 yards. But it's a great time to get out there because, like I said, it's our slow time of year, so we get right out there and we tag them. Just to monitor the well-being of the herd. If we tried to calve in the spring like a lot of people do, I just know that I wouldn't do as good of a job because I love to plant my crops. It's something. As much as I love having animals and calving and having calves born, it's a distraction. It's like being torn between two things, planting and trying to be a good cow person. So I figured out that it works best for us to just not have the two overlap. So that's why we calve in the fall, and then they stay with their mother all winter long, eating off their mother. And now we're getting onto this high spot, so we're going to be able to work our way up out of the ground here, fix all the tracks as we work our way out. It's a little bit low over here, but I think that'll dry up now that we have a low spot for it to all go. It's not perfect, but we get pigs and we get cows out here on here, and they're gonna trample it. They're gonna get rid of high spots, and gravity will do its job on that as well. We'll just my main thing is getting the water a place to go, smoothing it out roughly, and then after that, like I said, gravity will knock down the high spots, and I want to get something growing on it right away. That's my biggest concern. What do you think, Jack? That ought to do a good job.
Yeah.
Just gonna spin around here where we just turned around and smooth that out.
Okay.
It's not too bad. This isn't a place where we're ever gonna try to harvest any crop. This is only forever pasture. And what's gonna be on it? Who knows? It could be, like I said, cows, pigs, even chickens, you name it. Getting a little bit lower here than I wanted to, buddy. Well, we're almost to the cut. Boy, this is gonna take a little while to firm up, but I'll tell you what, having that swale created, that's gonna really help drain that out. Help a lot. Buddy?
Getting grumpy.
Yeah, a little bit, huh? Just gotta get away from these trees and spin around. We're back on the high ground now, it's dry. Just gotta clean this up. Well, this is gonna work great. And it looks deeper than it needs to be right now, but I'll tell you, once everything settles and animals are walking through it, it's gonna really kind of spread it out. It's going to get rid of the high sides and that. It'll, gravity of course. I should have that thumb pinned up out of the way, but I wouldn't say I'm lazy, but I'm just being careful to make sure it's not coming into contact with the ground. Because I know I'm going to use it again here in a minute. Because now we're going to work our way towards the exit of this pasture and a few more trees to take out of here. Boy, what a difference being able to use this, get this job done. That camera angle probably doesn't show the elevations of what we're seeing, does it, Jack?
It's okay.
Yeah? So we got a high spot there. That was always wet over here. Now that's all able to drain, go down through this cut. And then we got a main swale going through here. Yeah, let me swing this over here. I don't know if you can see it over there, but we made another little cut going up. That was really wet over there. That water was just trapped because over here it was always higher, so we had a little bit of a dish. So now we put in a cut. Now that's giving that a place to go and created another little high spot. Hopefully this will do the job. I'd rather do this than put drain tile in because I'd rather it just be open and a little bit of terrain. It looks sharp now, but again, like I said, I think it's going to look good. It's going to have a nice contour to this when we're done. We fed a lot of round bales out in this pasture over the winter. We had cows out here over the winter, and I rolled them out by hand. Whenever it was firm enough and cold enough, I'd come out here and throw in a round bale and just roll it out in the pasture. And that has really brought the overall elevation up. And I've been doing that now for about 3 years, because this was always quite a wet spot, always low. So you can see right in through here, over in here, that's why it looks the way it is. Just hay, tons of hay. And they don't even eat it all. You know, a lot of people would say it's wasteful, but we're just trying to build soil, and it's worked. We've built it up quite a bit. And you'll be amazed at how this is going to be growing here in no time.
There's Jimmy.
So we did a little pasture clearing video with the excavator where we did some drainage, knocked down some trees, and just kind of sculpt some areas that were low and adjusted things. And that was about a month ago, and then we seeded it. And so this is the end of that video. I just was gonna show that the seed's growing and the water's draining and things are going as we planned. It's only, you know, an inch or so of growth right now, but it's getting there. But just so you can see, water's drained out. This area was soaked. It was like a big bowl here. The water couldn't get out of its own way, and now we gave it a place to go, and it's working. Everything around it's drying up. We've got seed growing, and in about 3 weeks to a month, we'll put some animals out on here. Yeah. Jack thinks he's Evel Knievel. He had like 3 feet of air that time.
Is that good or bad?
That couldn't have been more pathetic.
I know. Was mine good
Oh,
or
look at
bad?
cool guy, no hands.
That's easy. I'll do it all the way down to the grain bin.